Nasdaq 100 showed a good swing last week when it failed to break past 12,400-500 zone and reversed strongly. At the same time, one must note that it has failed to breach or failed to succeed trading below 11,800 levels, which is definitely a stronger support. So what to expect next week? Is it going to trade sideways from here, or is it waiting for a breakout and trade upwards? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day targets and analysis which I share for Nasdaq 100, once with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both the analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Let's start in this analysis. First we'll look into charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Now see, these are the daily charts, and on the daily charts you can see 11,800 certainly is a very good support level here. And hence next week if you see it trading below 11,800, the next support zone will come into picture at 11,600. Then 500, you can see 500 giving very strong support earlier, and this is also previous consolidation zone, so price might try to swing lower. If it stays below 800, certainly we may see little more bearishness taking it towards 11,500 and 350 zone. Now another observation here is, see the movement there on the daily chart. You can see the bottom here, and then it has achieved higher highs, higher lows here, and then achieved higher highs. This is the second swing, so it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel here, higher highs, higher lows, which yet again indicates that certainly 11,600, 500 levels are going to be, if it drops, these levels are certainly going to be a very good support, and only below which we can expect that we are again looking forward to 11,000 and 10,800 levels. Now right now if you look at the daily charts, one more observation, see this pole, see this flag, and a breakout about 12,500 should bring more bulls out there. Till the time it trades between 11,500, 12,500, we have to be watchful and cautious. Right now it is still in the formation of this sideways movement. So this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly. Now see, for Tech 100, one observation, see so far it has been trading since the COVID times. It has been trading in this downward trading channel after this bullish move, and after long, and it has breached past these levels after a little while. Now certainly trading above these levels is a good indication. However, look at also the bottom there. See, it has created higher lows, then this reversal, and now it is trying to trade sideways. So again, this is pole and flag here, so waiting for a breakout. Either which ways it gives a breakout, certainly it is going to bring a stronger move there. And right now it is still in the phase of consolidation. Now look at the charts. Now see, first thing is, next week if you see it trading below 11,800, you can sell. Then expect 11,600 and 500. Till 500, very good support, and below that we might see 11,350. Only and only, now see this, only and only if 11,000 and 10,800 are broken, we can expect that it is going to crash heavily. And if you look at the movement there, see the 11,000 levels are now going to be the long term support there, because below which the bear zone is going to be seen, and we may see a stronger crash there. Right now it is still very much bullish. Let it break past 11,500, 12,000 zone, 500 zone, and certainly more bullishness can be seen there. Now let's have a look at the monthly. Now see the delta here, the month started below 12,000 levels, and you can see higher lower highs at 12,500 is seen. Almost the previous highs was close to 12,900, and if you connect this, you can find 11,600, 500 zone is again going to be a very good support. So possibly it might trade between 11,500, 12,500 zone for the rest of this month, and hence you have to be cautious till the time it trades between this zone. Right now it is getting a pull on the downside. Possibly also one must look at, see, once it stays about 12,100, certainly it will bring more bullishness, and we can see it closing about 12,300 for 500 zone also in the next couple of weeks. Right now it is seeing, or it is looking forward to, a downward move or downward pull here on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators? The indicators on the daily charts, you can find out it is trading below the 20-50-100 period exponential moving average, bearish sign this is. At the same time, it is just notch above the 100 period simple moving average, situated at around 11,750 levels. So right now it is appears to be bearish as all the moving averages are curving downwards. It indicates a bear trend. Also, one more point to observe here is that super trend on the daily charts has given a sell signal, and we have seen in recent past that it requires a lot much of time and lot much of effort to give a sell or buy signal or to change a signal on the super charts on the super trend on the daily charts. And yes, the resistance there at 12600 is very very important there. Also, if you look at it, is trading at the Bollinger Bands, bottom of the Bollinger Bands, giving it a very good support at 11800 level. So certainly below 11800, we may see a little more bearishness and then it may see a downward pull there. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this has dropped and it has come to oversold. It has come to bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish and it is again looking down. Also, if you look at, we had seen in recent past that it is trying to trade in this and it is almost achieved the bottom. Yes, I will look forward to if it breaks this time, how far it stretches the downward move there. The RSI is looking down. It is appears to be bearish. And if you look at the weekly trading and the upper half of the Bollinger Bands, also trading almost above the 20 below the 20-50-100 period moving average, the exponential moving average. Also on the weekly charts, the super trend is already on sell with the resistance at 13,000 levels, which is certainly going to be a very very stronger resistance zone. See, the stochastic has dropped sharply. It is looking down. The MACD is in green and it is trying to converge a bit. I will wait for a crossover to happen. Right now it is on the greener side of it. RSI is also trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. It has come back to comfortable zone after seeing a good drop towards bottom. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, precisely the 20 months average is situated at around 12,500, which makes it a very good resistance zone. At the same time, on the downside, you can find out the 50 months moving average at 11,500, 400, the next support level there. And yes, it is precisely based or located at the median of the Bollinger Bands. The stochastic, which has seen the near to oversold levels on the monthly charts, is now looking upwards. Possibly it can try to stay in a bullish zone only. Also look at MACD. See, the MACD is trying to converge crossover. It is looking forward to a buy entry on the monthly chart. See, it has stayed in green for a long while, almost for 10 years or so, and now is the first time that on the monthly charts it has almost achieved zero levels and trading in fact below zero levels. This is a crucial indication. Right now it is trying to converge. You can see the candle sizes diminishing here, so possible it can converge a bit and then even if it is bearish it can later on diverge and bring the crash out there. Right now it is trying to trade sideways mostly. RSI is almost flat here. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define for you the trading levels and strategy. And yes, please note that the SVB Bank crisis might bring a little effect on tech companies, and that is why we are seeing a sell off in the last two trading sessions. Possibly it can spill over in the next week also. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. It starts the 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. Now, let's have a look at the buying level. See, once again, the previous levels 11,920. You can buy here and you can 11,970, 12,040. Now see, till here it's fine, and then 12,100. Now only if it trades about 12,100 you can expect that it is trying to show you a little reversal, and then possibly we may see a rise for 12,200 and then 12,350, 500 levels. Now only and only if you see it trading about 12,500, which is a distance far away right now, only and only if you see it trading about 12,500, once again we can expect that this time it may try to break past 13,000, if not this week, if not next week, possibly next few weeks or so. But then you have to wait and watch for it to break out beyond 12,000 levels in order to confirm the bullishness. And remember, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. A single news of the banking crisis can bring it down, so another positive news can equally reverse it up and trade bullish. So you have to be watchful there. Also, now on the downside, where to sell, only sell entry I will recommend here is 11,800 levels. Rather, those who want to book a little, yes, you can sell at 11,840, but I will expect 11,780 as the next support, and then 11,740. If it stays below this zone, stay short, and then I will look forward to 11,600, the strongest support, then 11,500. Now these two levels you should mark out for, because below 11,800 certainly we can expect that 11,600 and 500 might get achieved, and this consists of a stronger probability for these levels to get achieved. But yes, 11,500 is a very good support, and below that we may see 11,360. If it stays below this, it can bring a very sharper fall for 11,200, 11,000. Now the next support below 11,500 is 11,000 levels, which you need to be watchful and be cautious of, because below that anyways it is going to remain a bearish market. It is going to bring the prices down, and then my long term targets of 9,400, 9,600 might get achieved in next few months. But right now it is still very much trading sideways. Do not consider this is a bear market. Yes, near term bearishness can be expected, however it is not yet a bear market. It can possibly achieve the low. However, a bounce back is still very much there, as you have seen in the polar flag formation. So let's see which direction it gives a breakout. Trade accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.